4 different AI softwares. This is what I'm gonna show you in today's video. So let's jump into behind my laptop. I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna show you 4 different softwares I'm using on a daily basis, which are speeding up my life, and you can save thousands, not tens of thousands of pounds, because you don't need to pay another people to do it. It's so simple. So let's jump right into it. And if you are watching my content and you like it, and you are not a subscriber yet, something to consider. Let's jump into it. All right, as promised, I'll show you 4 AI softwares I'm using on a daily basis. So as everybody knows, you know about ChatGPT. Of course, you know, everybody talks about ChatGPT, Grok 4, and Gemini, and all of these platforms. But maybe you don't have the extension what I have, which is called JT. It's a 9-figure AI brain, which I'm using created by JT Fox. He's my coach. And he have created this AI brain where he uploaded 10,000 of his knowledge, everything, and I was able to purchase this. I don't know if it's available and you can get it somewhere at the moment, but I have it, and it is really cool because it thinks like a 9-figure business owner. It's a very good tool to use. So, for example, let's see, how shall I position myself when starting, let's say, video editing business in the UK. What shall I do first, and how to attract the right clients? I'll just start with that, and let's wait. Searching, working for us, and let's see what's going to happen. And as you can see, to position yourself for success when starting a video editing business in the UK, use the JT Fox approach, which means you are building premium positioned brand, not commoditized freelancer. Here's the playbook. Number 1, branding position, become the premium authority. Do not compete on price or skill alone. Position yourself as a video marketing strategist or brand storyteller, not just a video editor. Language matters. Use branding principles. And you can see, first moves, build a proof-driven sales engine, client attraction, build strategies, relationships, copywriting, offer positioning, close like pro, and your 90-day action plan, craft free industry-specific demo videos, build your 29-second page and client conversion funnel, DM 10 dream clients daily with customized audit videos. So that is, and we can ask more and more and more. If you would ask the same thing, to normal ChatGPT, it's going to give you different answers. So let's put it here. Let's go. Step 1, define your positioning. Who do you want to serve? Real estate agents. So it's about positioning. Step 2, build a starter portfolio. Offer 3 to 5 free edits. Create 2 to 3 demo projects. Set up your professional presence. So it's very different. In here, it's asking you who do you want to target and things like that, which you should know, obviously. But in here, the first thing is branding position, become an authority, which not many people know how to do it. So this is one of the tools which I'm using, which is very good. Next, how do I edit shorts? I don't edit shorts where I need to pay editor to do it, or I need to do it. So there are all my podcasts, which I'm doing. Let's go to my YouTube channel, and let's say I'm going to choose this video, for example. It's quite short, so I'm just going to copy. I'm going to go to Opus Clip. And now it's going to ask me what I want to do with it. And it's going to ask me if I'm thinking, let's say I want just to be clips 30 to 59 seconds. And let's do it from all video. Get clips in 1 click. Now it's going to start working. So we have established time 5 minutes. We'll see sometimes it's shorter. Before this is done, let's move to another one. This is the platform where you can create a carousel. I recently started using it, and I really enjoy it because, again, it is quite creative and it's quite simple, and you don't need a social media manager just to do this. So generate carousel. So how many slides? Let's say 5 slides. topic. Let's say video editing premium branding. Text. I don't need to create all the text. Let's say I'll take the text in here, branding. Name your methodology, first move. Let's say I want to do it about become the premium authority. I don't know. I didn't even read it fully, but let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to put it here and generate. And this is working now. So while this is working for me, I can move another. So this is my motion. I don't know if you already use motion. So motion is a calendar which also works with AI, and it moves tasks depending where you have a space. So in motion, I can schedule the events if the event is happening. Like I have a meeting in here, I have another things which I'm doing every day, right? But also I can create tasks. So I can set a task, and I can say make a YouTube video. I can assign to my workspace, to any of my another business. How long? 45 minutes. And what is the deadline? Let's say Friday. And save task. Task is saved. And it's gonna give me that task. It gave me that task for tomorrow, Tuesday. It knows the deadline is by Friday, so it's gonna keep showing me that task, but by Friday, I need to be done. So it's moving the task depending on your space. It can do also on other things like projects and a lot of different things. I can also assign tasks to my team. So if I go here, I can do like, okay, create reports for where to stay. I can go to where to stay apartments, and I can assign it to Carla. She's working for me. I'm not going to do it because she already done them, but this is what I could do. While I'm working in here, going through my task, through my day, this is working for me. It's still saying 40%. So let's see what are we going to get. Car results is ready. You can obviously change if you want to for LinkedIn, if you want to for Instagram, what kind of a background you want, color palette. You can choose all of that, and it's just going to change, like, see, so simple. You can change the color palette, whatever it feels like it's good for you. And then I can check. Stop blending in just another editor. Stand out with branding position. See how to show authority and value with story-driven videos. Keep going. Boom. Be more than an editor. Speak like a pro. Showcase your result. Use branding tricks. Give yourself a name. Yeah. So that could be like how to become a great video editor or something like that. I don't know how you would call it. And you can basically show people what they can do. What you created in ChatGPT with my JT Fox help, you can create a post about that. So simple. It didn't take even 5 minutes. And let's go back in here. It's going to be another 2 minutes. But basically what it does, the video, I already done this one today. So I took the podcast, which I have on my YouTube. So if I would go to my videos, the latest video, as you can see, the latest podcast is this one, yeah, with John Lim. And then I uploaded in here in Opus, and I said it's a podcast, and it cutted me exactly a lot of videos, and it gives me also score, how good it is. And what I can do, so this one I already, some of them I already posted, I can go and I can schedule it to all platforms. I'll just choose it's a reel in here. I can schedule it to all platforms spontaneously. I'll just select the time today I schedule. I think there's nothing for maybe Friday. And I'll just choose a time. Let's do 3 p.m. And that's it. Scheduled. Take it from YouTube, put it into Opus. It does all the cutting for me, all of it. And after I just schedule, and I can schedule all of them, or I can schedule some of them. It's up to me how many I want to schedule, right? So it is so simple, and it saves so much time. Here, see, this one is done. This one is done. 7-figure business, 3 key drivers and results. And it just creates the video. Let's see. So you see, it created a few shorts. from this video, and now I can use it again and schedule it for my platform. So that's all what I wanted to share today with you. Motion, AI carousel, Opus, and obviously ChatGPT, and I'm using a JT Fox extension. If you would like any more tips or about AI and what's coming, there's so many new things coming in the world of AI, and I'm in the front with JT Fox, where he's sharing with us all the new things which are happening, and they are getting a lot of new cool things. And if you would like any accesses to this, and you would like, or you would like another video when I have something new to share with you and how we are using it, let me know in comments, and I can shoot another video and show you another tools. This is just basic. Everybody can get them online, but there'll be some more coming on. Have a great day.